If you use Grammarly and want to update the name on your account, this video will walk you through the process step by step in just a few moments. Whether you've changed your name, want to correct a typo, or simply want your Grammarly profile to reflect the right information, the steps are quick and easy to follow. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to app.grammarly.com. Once you're signed in, look at the left-hand navigation panel and click on the Account tab. This is where Grammarly keeps your profile and account settings, so it's the right place to make personal updates. After you click Account, make sure you're on the Profile tab. In most cases, this will already be the default view when the page loads. On the Profile page, look near the top of the screen for the Name section. This is where Grammarly displays your current account name. To change it, click the Update button next to your name. A small editing box should appear, allowing you to type in your new preferred name. Enter the name you want Grammarly to display, then click Update again to save the changes. Once you do that, Grammarly should refresh your profile information and your new name should now be saved to the account. That's all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you've learned how to change your name in Grammarly without any confusion or extra steps. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.